Hello students and welcome to Financial Markets and Institutions class. So today we are studying about the next component of financial market, that is capital market. So previously we have studied about the first component or classification of financial market, which was money market. Today we will study about capital market. So capital market deals with raising capitals by means of shares, bonds and other medium and long term investments. That means capital market is a market where long term funds are lent and borrowed. It refers to all the facilities and arrangements which help in borrowing and lending short term and long term funds. So, it is a market not for dealing in capital goods but for dealing in long term securities which have long maturity period. And those long term funds are used for investment purposes. So, indirectly, capital market helps in making investments. So, the capital market, like any other market, is also composed of those who demand funds and those who supply such long term funds. So, like any other kind of market, capital market is also a market for the one who needs money and the one who is ready to invest money. The demand for long term funds comes from private sector manufacturing industries and also agriculture and from the government. So the need of funds arises in all the sectors like manufacturing, agriculture and also government for the purpose of economic development. So the supply of long term funds comes largely from individual savers, the one who saves, corporate savings, business savings, banks, insurance companies, specialized financial institutions or other agencies and government. Capital market is a channel through which the savings of the community are made available for the business sector and also public in general. And the instruments used in capital market are shares, debentures, bonds, mutual funds and public deposits. The capital market is divided into two sub-components. They are primary market and secondary market. Primary market means it is a market for new issue or new financial securities. It is also called as new issue market. And it is a market for raising new capital in the form of shares and debentures which have been issued to the public for the first time by new companies. So primary market is a market which issues new securities or new shares. So it is a market for raising new capital for new companies. When the companies start, they try to raise capital by issuing shares. They attract funds by issuing shares and debentures. So it is a market for new issue of shares. Clear? Market helps in capital formation. The next is secondary market. Secondary market is a market for secondary sale of existing shares and debentures. So primary market is a market where new stocks or new securities are issued for the first time when a new company starts. But secondary market is a market for secondary sale of existing shares and debentures. That means it is a market for old shares and debentures which have already been issued to the public once and which have already passed through the primary market. So secondary market is a market where the shares which have already bought or sold in primary market are sold again. So like these are the shares which have already been bought and sold, and again they are sold. So it is a market for the existing or old shares, not new shares or new issue of shares and debentures. And these shares or debentures are old ones and are issued by the existing or old companies, and are mostly traded in secondary market or in stock exchange. Such securities are quoted in stock exchange. So the secondary market shares are quoted in stock exchange or dealt in stock exchange. And stock exchange is the regular market for buying and selling of old securities. Secondary market consists of all the stock exchanges recognized by the government of India. So the shares in secondary market are bought and sold in stock exchanges which are recognized or which are registered by the government of India. They are also regulated under Securities Contract Regulation Act 1956. So, both the markets, that is primary market or new issue market, and the secondary market or stock exchanges are equally important, but often the new issue market is more important from the point of view of economic growth, because new issue markets because new issue markets enter the market only when new companies are started. So when new companies start, income to the nation also increases and thus leads to economic development. However, the functioning of new issue market will be facilitated or will be improved only when there are more facilities for sale and purchase of or transfer of existing securities through a well developed secondary market. So these are the components of financial market. Thank you.